it's me again. What am I doing? I'm gonna do Monday. What's new? What else? Well, first, what's new is got me a new hat. Thing. U.S. Army. Thanks to Bradley's Military. Got a used one for $6.95. Bradley's Military, in case you don't know, is sorry, my shirt's all sticky and I'm all sweaty. It's just outside of Fort Drum. Just if you leave the base, take a left towards Watertown. It's just a couple hundred yards over. So yeah, went there, stopped there for the day. Went to Watertown. So I always stop by there about because of weird stuff. I had a really cool gadget I want to show you, but I didn't do it. But back to my weekly what's new. Nothing really. It's been hot and sticky. Things is just took Labor Day weekend off. I was gonna do some work this week, but it's been like 30 degrees, 32, hot, humid. I can't paint that thing yet because the humidity is ridiculous. I learned my lesson. Don't try to paint. A mosquito on my leg. Don't try to paint in super humid because paint doesn't seem to stick when it's basically wet. So, not much new. Still waiting for the process to begin of moving the shop. Probably be, I don't know, October at this rate. I was hoping for some, what do you call it, cooler nights, but apparently it's still in the high 20s here. So yeah, we're getting a heat wave, the whole climate's going to kill us all and all that crap. So yeah, climate's always been changed the last 10,000 years. So other than that, it's too hot to paint. I got, as soon as I get a little more space in the new shop, I'm going to be doing a review on a Pittsburgh roller seat and a Hercules universal portable bandsaw benchtop stand. Either I'm going to clean this whole bench off and test it out, or I'm going to put it over there. It's pretty long, so it won't fit on that bench. So I'm going to have to build a new bench or an extension to put it on. I got 2 portabands, so that hopefully will fit on there. It'll also give me a chance to tell people about the Wen bandsaw. It's actually pretty good. So I might make a tabletop one upward, and that one's it does like a hand chop saw. Do I need it? No, but I thought it was pretty cool. I mean, I can kind of use it like a, what do you call it? Like a floor model bandsaw. So I'm cutting steel. And believe it or not, I've used the Wen bandsaw several times to cut small pieces of metal. So having a bandsaw is just amazing. I have a wood cutting one which has a terrible blade. It needs a few modifications, like the little guide's going to be fixed, but I'll do that in the next garage. Other than that, not much new really. Not much new at all. So instead of a 20-minute blur, but whatever, this is going to be a short one. My videos are slowly running out, so you will see a large video every Saturday or so. That's going to be new. You'll still see a new tool every Tuesday. For now, I can do that till the cows come home. And if I don't have a lot of videos, I'm going to have quite a few videos coming with moving. So if I get on the ball, I can probably keep up with it and have a video every day of the week for anybody who wants to watch. But I probably might condense it into a couple of large videos. When I go over the border, I'm probably going to keep doing a whole bunch of Harbor Freight little, what do you call it, shorts. If you're making videos, make shorts. They really work. I've gained about 8 or 9 new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. It's always awesome. With that said, I keep putting crazy little short videos out, keep buying junk, and I keep making videos. And if you're new to the channel, I still have a Honda Big Red that I'm going to be fixing, a shop that will be moving. I got several tool reviews. I have another bike coming in. I have a sandblaster that's getting remodeled, and I have an entire garage that I'm going to be resetting up, moving milling machines and stuff. So stay tuned. There'll be a lot of stuff I'll be recording. A lot of stuff I won't be recording. A lot of stuff that will just be too tricky to record with other people walking around. So with that, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you're new, click some buttons. Subscribe. It actually helps. If you leave comments, it helps the algorithm too. So if you click the like button, it sends, apparently, sends something to the YouTube gods and throws us out in the atmosphere to get more subscribers. So it's always good having more subscribers. So thanks for watching, toodles, and Stay tuned. There's more coming.